this in here because I need some melted butter. I'm making some garlic butter for my biscuits. There we go. I needed it to thicken up. Whew. I can wait.
She's silly, y'all. She says she can't wait.
I can't because I'll be fired. Yeah.
Now, what is that, ma'am?
Oh, this is my garlic butter.
Oh.
This minced garlic and some butter. Little cheat clove because I don't got no garlic spread, so gotta make my own. I put some onions and everything in the sauce. Some fresh garlic. I love cooking with minced garlic. Garlic's good for you.
Friday night cooking with my daughter.
Okay, excuse me. Nah, I'm done.
Mm. You done? Like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment, folks. Peace, love, and happiness. Until next time.